Welcome to day one dev. This practice question is to upgrade our control panel and worker nodes. So before we jump on that, let's start with the logging in. Okay, let's see how many worker nodes, master nodes, and worker nodes we have on our practice exam. So k equals kubectl get nodes. Okay, so we have one master, one controller plane, and we have a two worker nodes. All right. So I do not have all the commands how to do upgrade based on this. If you see here, it's 1.2.27.2. We have all the ports on 1.27.0. Okay. So let's search for grade upgrade cube ADM. Okay. We should see here. It doesn't matter for me, so I'll pick 1.7.27. Go to start with. Okay. So there's a catch here. You can do this apt update if you want to do a Linux upgrade, but sometimes I don't know how the node is going to be, but I'll start with directly upgrading only Kubernetes. I'm not going to get on that part. Okay, already I'm on control plane, some in a master node, so I'll just start with an update. So apt will not go through it because I need to be on a sudo. So any upgrades because they might have run on a super admin role. I'll just start with the apt get install. -y, we do that because to make sure that every time the system will not ask us to upgrade. So, before we do it, let's talk about this one. Cube ATM version. Let's check that. Perfect. We are on 1.27.0 this year. Let's talk about kubelet version. Oops, sorry, kubectl version. This is also on 1.2.0. So now let's go to sudo apt get install -y. As I said, we're not going to do this. So I'm going to upgrade the kube ATM to 2.27. It's just a 2, so I'll use it. To use 0. I'm going to use kubectl, same thing, 1.27.2.0. Kubelet, also I'm going to upgrade 27.2. Let's install them. Okay, so this is one which I'm talking about. It will ask you to allow change. Packages. If you see that command that has been not listed here until it throws an error. Okay, so already we did it. Next, we're going to run this upgrade. Verified it. Now let's do a quick check on why to avoid this. It shouldn't take a long time. So you can see here it's upgrading from 1.27.0-00 to the newer version, setting up a kubectl ADMs. Okay, so let's kube ADM version. It is we got this perfect. So let's talk kube ADM upgrade plan. Perfect. We have an upgrade plan is ready. The next step is we're going to upgrade apply command. We're going to do this. Okay. Sudo kube ADM upgrade apply v, because we did it 27.2. We're going to use that. This should give us an upgrade success the way we see it in here. Okay. We should get a success at the end of part. Okay, waiting for kubelet to restart the component. Let's see whether it's gonna restart or it's gonna, we have to restart the kubelet. And then we'll do a get nodes. So make sure that it should show 1.27.2. It should say. Okay, let's see that once it comes out. So have to be verified. Will work. Will run through. We'll see a get nodes. It should show the dot 27.2. If not, we'll restart the pod. Okay. Perfect. Waiting for kubelet to restart components. Okay. Let's see how long it will take. I think it's okay. Kubelet to restart. Still, it's not restarting. I think it's training. I should have drained the master. Okay. Success recorded. So let's see get nodes. Perfect. This here we are good on this part. Okay. So let's see kubelet version. Oops, kubectl. Let's call it. Perfect. We have both the places. So let's say version one job is done. We are upgraded. Now let's look for nodes, worker nodes. Okay. So there is a worker nodes. I think there is a way to train. First, we're going to train them. To train CKA worker one. Okay. We're going to do that. IGNRE domain search. That's okay. Okay, perfect. Let's do CKA worker one. Doing SSH. We'll do SSH. Perfect. And we're gonna do same thing. If you see there, we upgrade sudo apt.get install -y kubelet equals 1.27.2-00 kubectl equals 1.27.2-00. ADM is not required, but I'll put an ADM also here. Not required. I think actually not required. Let me make sure that. Okay, not required. Okay. I'll just install. Okay. Got it. It was quick. So now I'm gonna restart. So SOSTMCTL. CTL. Okay. Let's say the 1.2.7. Okay. Now I'm gonna do systemctl restart kubelet. Okay. Let's check for kubectl version. Okay. Let me do that. Get nodes. Let's see. No, we didn't work MCG K8S curve 1. Zero let 1.27.2 -0 kubectl 1.27.2 0. Oh, that is a mistake. I did it. Eh, The system CTL PAE load start let at perfect. Now it's got upgraded. So let's do a put it back in rotation. So what is that command? Uncode done. Okay. MCO or UIN CG K8S. Right. So let's say oops. Okay. Now we have to train second node. We're going to do a second train. Thus, we can see the cap there. Second node is running still on 27.0. So let's do SCG K8S worker 2. All right. Let's go back to our upgrade commands. Sudo apt install. Oh, sorry. Install -y vdm equals 1.27.210 kubelet equals .27.2 equals 1.27.2 0. I should do allow something. Allow change held messages. Now we need to do a daemon restart after this. Should be good. It's a time consuming, but it's pretty simple, but it's taking a longer time. I think it's almost taking 15 minutes to rework on it. I need to plan how I can do that in an exam. Right. Sudo system CTL. If this question has a good weightage, then I don't worry, but weightage is pretty small. I'll do this at last, so that way I don't miss out. Okay, let's talk about get nodes. Okay, its upgrade is done. Okay, and SCG Right. Perfect. Perfect. I'm done with this exercise. Please subscribe to Day 1 video. I'll come back with a more practice for CKA